Hey everybody, Shu here. Currently we are in the San Isabel National Forest in Colorado. We are heading to Fairplay, Colorado to do some gold panning at their famous Fairplay beach. So we're going to need to run into town, pick up our $10 permit, and let's see what it's like. Alrighty, we are at the High Alpine Sports where you're supposed to get your permit, but it looks like they are permanently closed. So we gotta go right down the road to the town hall to get our permit. So if you're coming here, you don't want to try to come here and get your permit. Alrighty, we are at the Welcome Center, or the Welcome Fairplay Town Hall, 901 Main Street. So that's this little cabin looking building. We're gonna go in here and see what it takes to get our permit. Alrighty, got my permit. It's $20 a day. We're gonna be going right over there. Give you an idea, here's the town hall thing, and basically from this bridge down to a parking area right over here, and the big pile of rocks you see there are tailings from the 1800s. That's pretty cool. So let's go see. These are some large piles, but this is where you can start digging. You can see there's holes where people in the past have been. There's currently two people right over here that's panning their stuff out. And you can get a look of the stream here. And let me find a nice little path here. Yeah. That's the road right there that you take to get in. This looks like a good place. Let me go grab my gear and we'll start doing some test panning. See if we can actually find anything. We've made pretty good sized holes here. Alrighty, I found a little bit better of a space, a little bit better of a spot here. Got a nice little wide creek here. And I brought some buckets. Brought both of the sluices because I didn't know what to expect here. But here is where I'm at. It looks like someone already was digging a hole. There's a couple little holes here. Little divots, I guess you could call them. Now there is a little itsy bitsy tiny little stream that goes right through over here somewhere. I seen it when I came in because there's a little wooden bridge. But I figure I'm going to give this area here a try. Do some test pans and see what I can find. And just to let you know, we are around 10,000 feet above sea level, so you want to try to get yourself acclimated to the higher altitudes because you can get altitude sickness. Make sure you bring plenty of water, Gatorade, stuff like that. Keep yourself hydrated because altitude sickness is no joke. So let's have fun. So after doing some test panning everywhere, I found a couple little tiny flakes, about 5 or 6 of them that came from down here, so I'm working my way that way, trying to see what I can find. There's a big boulder right there. I'd love to get that thing out of the way and check around that, but let's see what we can find. Alrighty, I got my sand here and rocks and everything else. This is classified down to 1/2 inch and smaller. Then I'm going to go this one, get it even smaller, and I've got my sluice box out here. I need to adjust the flow a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and get this, put it in the air, get rid of the large stuff. Then once we do that, we're going to run it through a sluice and see what we have. Alrighty, I got the entire bucket classified down, run through there, and now I'm just waiting for that to clean itself out some. While that's been doing that, I've been scooping dirt from right here in the water. And I'm already seeing a lot of specks and a lot of colors. So I just gotta finish this one pan. It's some nasty mud. I just gotta finish this one and see what else is in this pan. That was a good day when you're playing in mud. That little black sand you can see in there. This high altitude is no joke. Get this cleaned out and I'll be right back. Alrighty. Let's see if I can do this. I can get you some light here. There's too much reflection. Got little specks everywhere down in there. Alrighty, better part of a day digging is all right there. So I'm gonna put it into a pan and let's see what we get. Alrighty. Sorry about the reflection, trying to cover it out some. But we did get some gold. That's a couple hours of digging gets you. About an hour and a half of digging. Oop, keeps covering up. So I'm gonna try to get rid of some of the blondes and the rocks. These are rocks. That ain't gold. I don't want you to think there's gigantic nuggets, but there is gold still here. And it only took digging a little hole. Oh man. So I didn't bring my scale. I did bring oh no, did I bring it? A little sucker bottle somewhere around here. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, get it weighed, or get it back to the RV, get it weighed and see what I came up with here. And again, this altitude thing is no joke if you're not acclimated to it. So until next time, y'all stay safe out there, and hope to see you on the next one. Alrighty, the final result was 0.061 grams. It's not very much, but it is chunky, so that's pretty cool.